Why think thus, O men of piety? I have returned to sobriety. I am neither a Muslim nor a Hindu. I am not Christian, Zoroastrian, nor Jew. I am neither of the West nor the East, not of the ocean nor an earthly beast. I am neither a natural wonder, nor from the stars yonder, neither flesh of dust nor wind inspire, nor water in veins, nor made of fire. I am neither an earthly carpet nor gems terrestrial, nor am I confined to creation nor the throne celestial, not of ancient promises nor of future prophecy, not of hellish anguish nor of paradisic ecstasy, neither the progeny of Adam nor Eve, nor of the world of heavenly make-believe. My place is the no place. My image is without face, neither of body nor the soul. I am of the divine whole. I eliminated duality with joyous laughter, saw the unity of here and the hereafter. Unity is what I sing, unity is what I speak. Unity is what I know, unity is what I seek. Intoxicated from the chalice of love, I have lost both worlds below and above. Soul destiny that comes to me, licentious mendicity. In my whole life, even if once, forgot his name even perchance. For that hour spent, for such moment, I'd give my life and thus repent. Beloved Master Shamsi Tabrizi, in this world with love I'm so drunk. The path of love isn't easy. I am shipwrecked and must be sunk.